Have you ever wondered if there are survey sites that are exclusively for Africans where you can create a free account, take survey questions and get paid straight to your bank account? Well, the answer is yes. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a survey site where you can create a free account for yourself as a Nigerian, as an African. You start taking survey questions that are meant for you and you get paid for doing just that. Don't take my word for it. Look at this lady here. She is a Nigerian and she has earned over 15,000 naira taking surveys from this website I'm about to show you. So in this video, I'm going to show you this survey site. I'm going to show you exactly how to create a free account for yourself. I'm also going to show you how to withdraw your money. One of the interesting things about this site is that it pays straight to your bank account, and they also have many other options you can withdraw your money. So you can withdraw your money straight to your bank account. You can use your earnings to buy things online. You can also withdraw via PayPal and a whole lot of other payment options. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if making money is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. With that said, let me show you how to make money taking surveys. So here's the survey site I'm talking about that is exclusively for Africans that will pay you for taking simple survey questions. Now you may want to ask, what is survey and how does it work? Surveys is basically you answering questions from organizations, businesses, individuals who are carrying out research on a product or a service. Say a business wants to launch a product in a market and they want to hear your opinion. They want to know what you have to say regarding that product or service before they launch or relaunch it. So they come over here and pay you to answer simple questions regarding that product or service. They use your opinion to improve their product before it's launched or relaunched. Actually, there are lots of survey sites out there. Majority of them don't accept Africans, and when they do, they either have a payment option that is hard for you to go about, or they don't have surveys for you. And that is why this particular one is different, because this is made with love for you. Some of the amazing things about this site is their payment threshold. With as low as $3, you can go on to cash your money. With that said, let's go on and create a free account on this platform. This is the website I'm talking about, and don't worry, I'm going to show you the name in a moment. If you look at this, it says, take part in our paid surveys and rewards. Make your voice heard and influence the decisions that affect your daily life by taking part in our online surveys. So what you need to do would be to create a free account. But before we create account, let me show you a couple of other things. It takes few simple steps to create account here. First step is to join them by registering on this platform. The second step is to take surveys. We will regularly email you survey invites. The surveys are quick and easy to answer. So once you create account on this platform, you need to regularly check your email address because the surveys are going to be sent to you via email. And the third step is to earn rewards and get paid. When you complete a survey, you earn points which can be redeemed as cash, data, airtime, or shopping vouchers. Now you're wondering how it works. You simply help governments, brands, and NGOs take well-founded decisions in Africa. So if you look at this, you see a couple of information about this website, which shows you that this is legit. When you join this platform, you'll be asked your opinion on an insight on products and services, brands, marketing companies, health and wellness, people, politics, and a whole lot of other things. What you need to do is to go on to share honest opinion regarding that question you are asked. Now, if you look at this, you see testimonials of people who have been on this platform and been making money non-stop. So this one says, I'm a student. This platform came as a blessing. Now I earn extra pocket money, which allows me to buy airtime, data, and take my girlfriend out. Actually, this person is from Nigeria. Okay, this is from Tanzania. This person is from South Africa. And that's to show you that you can actually participate. So let's go on now and create a free account. You need to scroll up to this place and click on this button. Okay, it says join now. It's going to open this simple interface for you to create a free account for yourself. Click on this button and it's going to bring us to this. If you look at this, you see that it's a simple interface. You simply need to supply your basic details, your email address, and other information, and voila, your account is created. As soon as you're done filling this basic information, you click on register and you are good to go. The name of this platform is called AfriSite, and like I said, it's open to all Africans. You can do most of the surveys here with just your smartphone. How do you make money? If you look at this, it says your reward. earn cash while making your voice heard with paid online surveys. So if you look at this, there are various ways you can earn from this platform. You earn cash. You can also withdraw your money via PayPal. You also see airtime. You can actually use your money to buy airtime here, as well as getting shopping vouchers, prize draws, and a whole lot. Did you get value from this? Let me know in the comment section if you're going to create account with this platform. The link to create account is contained in the description of this video. So go on and click on the link, create a free account, and start making money taking surveys. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. See you in my next video. Bye.